Hello everyone. Today we are looking at 30 sentences to train your brain so that you would finally stop translating in your head. So one of the biggest problems English learners have is thinking in their native language first and then translating into English. This slows down your speaking and makes conversations difficult. If you want to speak English fluently, you need to start thinking in English automatically. In this lesson, you will practice 30 simple English sentences that train your brain to think in English. These sentences are based on real daily situations and will help you speak faster and more naturally. Here's how to use this lesson. First, listen to the sentence. Repeat it out loud. Imagine the situation and practice thinking this sentence in English. Over time, your brain will begin to form English sentences automatically without translating. Let's begin. 30 sentences to train your brain to think English everyday thoughts. I need to wake up early tomorrow. I'm feeling a little tired today. I should drink more water. I need to finish this today. I forgot my keys again. Talking about what you are doing. I'm getting ready for work. I'm making some coffee. I'm checking my messages. I'm waiting for the bus. I'm heading home now. Making simple decisions. I'll do that. I'll think about it. I'll try something different. I'll take a short break. I'll call them tomorrow. Observing the world around you. It's really cold today. That place looks interesting. This coffee tastes great. That movie was really good. The traffic is terrible today. Social thoughts. I should text my friend. I haven't seen them in a while. I hope they're doing well. That was a fun conversation. I should visit them soon. Motivational thoughts. I can do this. I'm getting better every day. I just need more practice. I'll keep trying. I won't give up. To improve your English fluency, try this simple exercise. First, narrate your day in English. Describe what you're doing in your head. For example, I'm walking to the store. I need to buy some food. Second, use simple sentences. Don't try to use complex grammar at first. And finally, practice every day. Even 5 minutes a day will train your brain. The goal is to make English your automatic thinking language. And final tip for English learners. When you stop translating and begin to think directly in English, your speaking becomes much faster, smoother, and more natural. Practice these 30 sentences every day, and soon you'll notice that English conversations become easier and more comfortable. See you later.